Hey guys, today I'll tell you about the Amkette TRUBEATS Boomer FX Bluetooth speaker. Before talking about it, let me just tell you I love music and I love to take it with me wherever I go. I have tried most of the Bluetooth speakers available in the market, but this one right here is my absolute favorite. The Boomer FX looks great, extremely attractive and premium because of the metallic finish design that definitely makes your room look royal too. You might be wondering why I am choosing this over others. It is because it's not just a pretty face, it is packed with performance too. After all, it has an unmatched 12-watt super boom output using twin high excursion drivers and a passive radiator for a springy bass, which makes it even more powerful than you can imagine. Want to hear it? Here you go. I charged this device once and have already played this device for 6 to 7 hours, and it's nowhere close to dying. In fact, it could go on for 16 hours of non-stop playback on a single charge. This is all because of the Boomer FX giant built-in battery. What I love next is how the acoustically optimized design reduces vibrations and increases audio fidelity, with punchy beats and crystal clear vocals. It is a pleasure listening to music that sounds so well balanced. So, host a party or watch a movie, I can assure you, you will love having the company of the Boomer FX. It is also extremely simple to use. You just have to connect your phone or computer over Bluetooth or aux, or play using a USB drive, SD card, or FM. The utility doesn't stop there. Phone battery low? Use it as a power bank. With a built-in 4,000 mAh capacity, you can charge your phone twice. So to wrap it up, if you guys are thinking of purchasing a well-rounded speaker, I'll have my money on this one. Thank you for watching this video. Feel the bass, feel the music.